Here we go.
Is that video or?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't
Say hi.
From multiple angles. Cut.
Take two. All right, you ready?
Go. See if you can top Timmons at Castlewood.
Oh.
No, that wasn't it.
That was very impressive.
That's, well.
Lori will show you what graceful is.
Do I have to run up it like he did?
Or any other spot you like better.
No, you don't have to run. We can take pictures and you can actually just pose in an action pose.
I'll be like, whoa.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Photoshop yourself. Like jumping over it.
Hey, my picture is not photoshopped.
That was anticlimactic.
What are you talking about?
We found our fourth graveyard, the Maids Cemetery. Pretty cool wrought iron fence.
Alright.
No way can I read that. Here rests Catherine Maids, born 1817, died 1902. A chunk of broken tombstone.
Turn there.
This is what it looks like when Robin's navigating.
Well, at least everybody's behind her.
Adventure.
Which way are we going, Robin?
She doesn't have a sub-leader.
Yeah, let's go to that engineering tape and then reassess.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody marked the trail out here.